Well, alam nyo, whether for a government position, whether appointment, or any career growth, no, naniniwala ako if it's meant to happen, it will happen. So, as I always say, I'm not closing any doors, but as of the moment, I have no plans for now. Ulitin ko, kung maging ano to, no, kumbaga, if it's meant to happen, mangyayari. Tulad naman po ng trabaho ko ngayon, no, I personally never expected me to be in this position right now. So, ulitin ko, may mga bagay kasi na kung tinadhana para sa'yo, mangyayari na ngayon.
You're leaving everything up to destiny.
Yes, I agree. Kasi destiny plays a very big role, no? Kung anong pilit natin, kung hindi naman ito nasa direksyon or hindi ito ipapaubaya sa'yo, kahit anong gawin natin, hindi mangyayari. But if destiny will play its role at bigyan tayo ng opportunity to serve on a bigger public service scale, why not? Servisyo publiko pa rin naman po yan.
If ever it comes your way, would you prefer national or local?
I think with my current position, national. Kasi, mas malaki na ang sakop eh. As of the moment, I'm handling the entire NCR, that's 16 cities and 1 municipality. So, kung mabibigyan mo tayo ng oportunidad na to service more people, no, syempre we'll go for a larger scale na kung saan mas mahati tayo ng magandang servisyo at mapapatupad natin ang tama kung anong mga kailangan. Not only in a certain area, but the entire nation as a whole.
What would be your forte?
Siguro unang-una would be community development. Kasi ever since wala pa po ako sa gobyerno, di pa ako nagiging serbisyo publiko, isa na rin sa advocacy ko yung tumutulong din po ako. Especially during the pandemic, may mga ibang kaibigan naman po ako dito. Tumutulong na po talaga tayo. On my own personal capacity, bilang isang businessman. At galing po sa galing po sa isang non-governmental organization, andun po yung puso ko na tumulong sa tao bayan. So before, if I may share, during the pandemic, nauso ulit yung Nutriban. So yung Nutriban, yan po yung pinamimigay namin kasama ng ibang kaibigan sa mga naka-lockdown. Yung iba po, nabibigay tayo ng bigas. At kung naalala nyo, nauso yung tinatawag natin community pantry, food pantry. So ginawa rin po namin yan, community food bank, na kung saan every week, iba't ibang mga lugar, may hinahanda kami mga gulay, and not just canned goods, bigas at fresh na gulay talaga. Mga repolyo, carrots, talagang masusustansya. Yan po ang pinamimigay namin kami yung mga magkakaibigan. So, nasa puso ko talaga yung community development. Kasi, if we will not start within our community, paano natin palalaman? So, I would say community development. And syempre, with my current work, nakikita ko na napakalaki talaga ng mga ginagawa natin sa kalsada. So, andun po yung improvements on transportation, andun po yung urban planning, redirection of our urban planning, at syempre, provide better transportation modes and tulad ng ginagawa natin, yung disiplina and order sa ating mga lansangan. So I think those will be the two main focus na I would say mas mag-excel.